Imagine a machine so powerful it could bend space, crush atoms, and maybe, just maybe, create a black hole. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to What If Verse, and today we're diving into one of the most terrifying yet fascinating questions in science. What if we created a black hole right here on Earth? Let's start with the basics. A black hole forms when matter collapses under its own gravity, compressing into an infinitely dense point called a singularity. In space, this usually happens when a massive star dies. But scientists wondered, could we recreate this on a smaller scale? Enter the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, the world's most powerful particle accelerator, buried beneath the border of France and Switzerland. In 2008, rumors spread like wildfire. Was the LHC about to create a black hole that would swallow the Earth? Spoiler, it didn't. But here's what actually happened. Physicists at CERN were smashing protons together at nearly the speed of light, trying to unlock secrets of the universe. And yes, some theories suggested that these collisions could briefly form microscopic black holes. But relax, even if that happened, they'd be completely harmless. Why? Because of something called Hawking radiation. Proposed by Stephen Hawking in 1974, this theory suggests that black holes slowly evaporate by emitting tiny amounts of energy. A mini black hole created in a lab would vanish almost instantly, long before it could cause any damage. In fact, creating one would be a breakthrough, not a disaster. It could give us proof of extra dimensions, support for string theory, or even insights into the Big Bang itself. But let's take this what if further. What if we could control a black hole? Harness its gravitational pull. Trap it in a magnetic field. Feed it atoms slowly. We're talking about the ultimate energy source. A black hole could generate more power than our entire planet needs using a process called Hawking radiation harvesting. It's science bordering on magic. Of course, we're nowhere near that level of technology, and the risks, massive. A stable black hole, even a small one, could grow, slowly devouring matter, radiation, maybe even the Earth itself. But don't panic, nature keeps us safe. Earth is constantly bombarded by cosmic rays far more powerful than anything we can produce in labs. And guess what? No black holes. So the next time someone says, "What if we create a black hole on Earth?" you can smile and say, "We might have already tried and survived. But in the future, maybe we won't just fear black holes. We'll use them as engines, as power plants, or even as gateways to other dimensions. And that changes everything." Thanks for watching What If Verse. If this blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown.